As far as Doge support floor, it truly is presently 5 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost examination explicitly is bullish today, or so they for the most part thought. Dogecoin truly has a medium-term opposition at 6 cents. Doge fall 3.27% in 7 days, showing that as far as Doge support floor, it especially is currently 5 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The 9th of June 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and genuinely attempt to answer these much of the time really got clarification on pressing issues. What for the most part is certainly momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin. Certainly is Doge a sort of wise interest in a genuinely significant manner. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on, in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. In any case, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the Doge specialized examination, let us sort of discuss the genuinely current economic situation, showing how as far as Doge support floor, it generally is presently 5 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the in every way that really matters. Last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1.06973065,872, which generally is genuinely huge. The in every way that really matters. All-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $25,050,644,957 or so they especially thought. Bitcoin shares 46.63% of the entry market while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, showing that Dogecoin cost examination explicitly is bullish today in a huge manner, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0%. Or so they most certainly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value lessening of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours, which especially is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39, following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time period, showing that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value reduction of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 1.93 and presently exchanging at 53 cents in a truly significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they basically thought. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a sort of descending bearing for in every practical sense, present moment, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. As of now, a genuinely broad, certainly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how the 9th of June 2023. In this video we will walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for the most part 1 week from now and sincerely attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense got clarification on some pressing issues. What essentially is momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin. Truly is Doge a by and large wise venture, which really is genuinely critical. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense. Recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that these occasions by and large show that the market really is going in a descending course for extremely present moment, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Support truly is a level at which purchasers most certainly become sort of more genuinely dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense. Distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing that these occasions certainly demonstrate that the market basically is going in a kind of descending course for commonly present moment. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which dealers in a real sense become move kind of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how similarly opposition essentially is a level at which merchants truly become move certainly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in an especially large manner. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin. Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin basically is at 7 cents, up 2.03% in the very beyond 24 hours and basically has a value change of 3.27% throughout the week in an especially large manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 231,660,440.00 US dollars, while kind of all-out market cap came to $9,720,702,638 USD, which in a real sense shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39, following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time span, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM fundamentally has seen a value reduction of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely huge. There in a real sense are practically 139,696,516,384 basically are available for use out of 139,696,516,384, showing how right now, a really broad essentially regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how the 9th of June 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these regularly for the most part sought clarification on some pressing issues. What in a real sense is genuinely transient cost expectation for Dogecoin? Most certainly is Doge a kind of wise speculation, by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value examination. Doge cost investigation for the 9th of June 2023 inside a by and large day-to-day time period basically made sense of beneath. So one-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is 231,660,440.00 US dollars, while especially all-out market cap came to $9,720,702,638 USD, which especially shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39, following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time span, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM truly has seen a value reduction of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly is genuinely critical. We utilize sort of relative strength index, moving truly normal union and disparity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving especially normal and remarkable moving fundamentally normal to basically dissect the future development of the Dogecoin, exhibiting how market examination over the especially last 24 hours. There generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,06973,065,872 essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. While Doge's Williams %R pointer truly is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. How exchange truly signal really is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, especially further appearance how Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the really signal line after a hybrid, showing how Dogecoin cost examination generally is bullish today in an extremely significant manner. Dogecoin financial backers need to, in every way that really matters, sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day diagram. So the essentially all-out exchange